make money today. It's snowing outside. I got an idea.
All right, Reality Business TV. So this is how you put a snow machine on the back of a truck and go make money. Give it some gas. Thought we were gonna be able to get a little quick video. How you doing? Y'all getting ready to go make that snowmobile money?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I just did a YouTube video yesterday showing how people go and make money shoveling snow on YouTube.
Yeah, we've already made like $200
That's what I'm talking about. Go get that money. Yeah. All right, now $300 with that right there. All right, so y'all go find a need in the market and fulfill it, and you can roll in the dough.
All right, Mary J's, Reality Business TV here. And if you're broke, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So when there's snow, there's money to be made. And if you don't know, then you better get out there and make some. Do you want to make some of this today? Huh? Siri? Ask Siri, how do you make money when there's snow outside on the ground? Huh? Siri, can you tell me that? Siri, how do you make money? Well, you hear that noise in the background? Stay tuned and figure out how. Hey! This is how you make money when there's snow on the ground. You have to get yourself a tool. This is a tool that you may need. See that? This is my guy right here. He's out here getting it done, keeping everybody safe in the snow. Y'all know what time it is, Reality Business TV. We out here and we're gonna show you how to make money when there's snow on the ground, getting a machine like this and plowing it down. I'm making a YouTube video.
I got two for you, my man.
Look, I'm making a YouTube video how to make money in the snow. All right, y'all, so y'all see, this is the vehicle that we actually sold for $5,000 that we only paid $1,200 for. And this is our F550 covered in icicles. Look at that. Oh, man, guys, it is snowing out here. All right, so stay tuned for the numbers. All right, Reality Business TV. So as you all just saw, I just showed you how to make money even when there's snow on the ground, yo. There's no reason that you shouldn't be making money. Make the money. Make the money. Make the money. It's always money to be gotten out here. You gotta get up and get that shit, man. Wake up and get some money. It's snowing outside. You're probably in the bed. You're probably asleep. You're probably bundled up. You're probably doing something that's not making money. Get it together, fool. Show some snow. Huh? Go knock on some doors. Hey, man, you want your driveway clear. Think about the numbers. If you go to 10 houses and you charge $100 to use that machine that I just showed you, that's $1,000. That's $1,000. Come on, Reality Business TV. What are you doing today to make money, YouTube? Talk to me. Breaking news, it's snowing outside, it's a blizzard. How are you gonna eat today? How are you gonna get some money, Reality Business TV? Talk to me now. Talk to me. It's not a calm day in the park. It's a snowy day in the cold. So you gotta know how to make enough money to where it can't fold. Like, subscribe, share this message if you want to learn more about how to make money 7 days a week following Greg Harris and his business principles. All right, y'all. See y'all on the other side. We're going into the office now. Stay tuned. Top Mary J's.